coming back with a good margin. This is only with the blessings of all my people whom we have stood together for the last 5 years. There were umpteen of pressures, use of government machinery, everything was done. I think Porvorim was one of the crucial things for the opposite party. But people had faith and we had faith in the people. And आमच्या लोकांनी जो विश्वास आमचेर दवरिल्लो आणि आमी आता जो आमच्या त्या लोकांचे तेको घेवन जे फुडें सरले, I think the people in true sense have shown that they are my pillars of strength by giving this type of a lead, coming in second time as an independent.
In the last 5 years, what are those things which made you victorious, you feel?
I think the connect with the people and going with the requirements, understanding what it is, looking at inclusive and sustainable Porvorim, making it a model constituency. I think are few of the issues which we had taken up on priority. Porvorkarank कितें जाय तें दिलें आनी आज Porvorkaran ताजो कौल म्हाका दिसता आज दिल्लो आसा आनी ताजे खातीर I take this forum of the media to thank all my beloved Porvorkar भाव भयणी जाणटे भुरगे महिला वर्ग सगळ्यांक जाणी दीस रात एक केली आनी ह्या भरघोश मतांनी आज निवडून हाडला. It is a victory of Porvorkars and we will go a long way to ensure that Porvorim goes to the next level.
Time and again you have said that it is Defence Minister who had put up all his family members, relatives and all to see that he get deputed. Now how do you see this?
It is politics. But end of the day, he has played what he wanted to do. But whether Defence Minister or his family, everybody has come. It's in democracy, everybody is welcome. In democracy also people decide that they don't get pressurized for whom to vote. They had decided and they have kept that particular decision.
तुम्ही आता independent, so तुम्ही खंयच्यान उत्तराक
So we will go together. Wherever we are going together.
Congress has supported you. Yeah,
Congress has supported us.
So you would be with Congress supported?
Definitely we are going together.
Thank you.